In this video guide, we'll explore the cache control features to enhance your website's performance. After you access the admin area of your website, click on the Settings and Cache Control tabs. Here, you'll find a range of options to flush cache. System cache. Flush the system cache to ensure your website is running with the latest configurations. Smarty. Clear Smarty Cache for efficient template compilation and rendering. Debug. Manage debug information for a smoother debugging experience. OPcache. Flush OPcache to reflect changes in your PHP code without delays. Hooks. Refresh webhooks to keep integrations and external services up to date. Themes. Clear theme cache for swift loading and seamless design updates. Product quantities and categories. Manage cached quantities of products and categories for accurate stock representation. Logs. Clear logs to maintain a tidy and organized system. Image cache. Optimize image loading by flushing the image cache. Product stock cache. Manage product stock cache for real-time stock availability. App shop cache. Keep your app shop data current by refreshing the cache. Migrations apply. Clear migrations apply cache to ensure the smooth execution of migration changes. Keep your database updated. Use the Select All option for a comprehensive cache flush or manually choose specific items based on your needs. Enhance your website's speed and responsiveness with effective cache control. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more optimization tips.